Rob Kahn here from Image360 of York, Pennsylvania, located at 2260 Industrial Highway. I'll put a small video together here for you guys to see how we go about replacing striping on this car that we did for a client. We know your vehicles are very important to you, and if something happens to them and you want to try to match up the existing stripes that are there, here at Image360 of York, Pennsylvania, we can help you with that. We love doing custom vehicle graphics and wraps, also commercial wraps. Image360 of York, Pennsylvania is here for all your signage and graphic needs for your business. Take a look at this video, enjoy it. Thank you and have a wonderful day. As you can see here, we're just about finished with this vehicle for this custom striping that we're matching up with for the hood and the roof here. As you can see, our installer is just wiping down the edges, making sure there's no adhesive from the old the vinyl that was there that we had to remove, as well as ensuring that the edges of the vinyl are down properly. Now, as you can see, the hood, the roof, and the tailgate, or the trunk, sorry, all match up, and it's ready to get delivered back to the client.